All right, so welcome back to another episode here on Your Digital Makeover. My name is Jerry Lee Colbert. Today we're going to be talking about how you can create recurring tasks inside of TickTick. So this is going to be another quick tip for y'all, but if you are new to TickTick, it's really easy to create a recurring task. All you have to do is, let's say you go into the inbox and you type what your recurring task is, right? Maybe it is to purchase groceries every week, right? Now, if you notice when I type that, it has every week now in blue, because what it's going to do is it's going to create a recurring task just that easily when I hit enter. So now you see that it is reoccurring on today every week. When you click on that, you see it's set every week. But what if you didn't want it today repeating every week? What if you wanted it on Friday? Well, simple. You just go ahead and change it to whatever day that you want it. Just that easy to set a recurring task. But usually what I do is once I get done setting my recurring task, I will signify it with an emoji. Okay? And I usually pick some sort of food item if I want to do groceries, right? And this helps separate it from the rest of my to-do items. So if you look at my to-do list here, and we'll go over here to the actual calendar, and if I was to move this down to say I was going to schedule it for today somehow or another, right? And maybe I want to do it for all or just this one occurrence. Usually I do it for one occurrence if I'm going to schedule it in a day. And we'll go over that in another episode. I now know when I see that emoji right there that this is a recurring task. And it helps differentiate things from other tasks. Now, if you notice, most of my stuff that I have left to do is recurring tasks, right? Because they all have emojis. And that's how I differentiate. But I also put that item into my recurring task list. And this is kind of helpful because if I go back over here to my tasks and I go over here to my personal and I see my recurring task list, these are all the items that I have set aside. Because sometimes I forget, did I make that a recurring, task? Did I do that? Sometimes I just don't remember. So it's really easy if I have a recurring task list that I can go through it all here and see if I've actually had that, right, already set. And as you see, I do, right down here, groceries. So do I really need this? No, because I already have it. And typically I would check my recurring list before I created it. But for this demo, I was just trying to show y'all how you can create a recurring task really easily inside of TickTick, okay? So I hope this was informative for y'all, and if it was, would you mind clicking that like button right down below? And if you want to see more of these episodes in the near future, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. And with that being said, I want to wish you all a wonderful week, and I'll catch you in the next one. Take care. Bye.